Hi there, this is Andy from Sharlston Eastgate Model Railway. In this video you join me for the construction of the railway hotel. Between the main station and the level crossing on my layout I have a thin plot of land. The plan was to have a small beer garden, hotel and a car park. So when it came to kits I found the super quick railway hotel kit fitted perfectly in the space available. I've condensed this build down into a number of short videos to show you the progress. So thanks for joining me, and here we go. I've given the garden area a coat of burnt umber acrylic, and the car park area has been smoothed over with polyfiller. I'm just going to fit the pavement sections while the paint dries. I've also given the roadway in front of the station and over the level crossing a new coat of paint. I tried out a method that I copied from Tim at Exeter and Lera. He has a fantastic tutorial on mixing different colours, burnt umber, black, white into the road surface, and I'm quite pleased with the results. So that's the rear fence set in place. I'll just leave that to dry and fit the hedgerows around the car park in the front of the hotel. At the garden end I've built this small gravel path using fine ballast, and also a dividing wall between the pub beer garden and the station car park. With some black and burnt umber acrylic, I'm just going to tone down the car park surface. The soil border is from Country Scene. The grass that you can see is a mixture of about 4 different scatters from Country Scene and Jarvis that I mix up in a container before sprinkling onto the PVA. The brambles and the bushes are rubberised horsehair with knock leaves, which I've made up myself. The bushes and shrubs are woodland scenics, clump foliage, and the flowers and buddleia I'm just putting down now are from Country Scene. So that's the gardening done for now. I'm going to leave that for a while for the glue to set before giving it a coat of matte varnish just to seal everything in, and I'm going to move over to the car park to do some road markings. So we've got to the best bit, and that's putting a scene together with a few accessories. We've got an industrial wheelie bin and a couple of steel dustbins for around the back of the hotel kitchens. These are 3D printed, I make these myself. We better have a car in the car park as well so it doesn't look so empty. For the beer garden, I have a couple of these picnic table type wooden tables. These are from York Model Making, and they are very fiddly to put together. So here you have the new railway hotel. There are a few bits and pieces left to do, road markings, street lights, etc, but that's for another vid. I want to give a quick shout out to a couple of model railway tubers who've influenced parts of this build. Tim at External Era for the road and tarmac tutorial, excellent, and also Lewis aka Mouldy Raspberry for his brilliant wire tree tutorial, one of which is stood there in the beer garden. I hope you enjoyed this video build diary. If so, please hit the like button and comment below. Please get in touch if you have any questions to materials or techniques used in the video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks, bye.